Belg Mamo lives together with her 3 sons in the Ethiopian highlands in a village called Berbera. She is a widow and takes care of her children alone. She was among the poorest in her village before she was supported through one of Dan Church Aid's projects.
ደግሞ አንድ ጊዜ ነው አብዛኛው በጣም ይሄ ስትገይ ቀን ነው እንዲያምናግ ግን አብዛኛው ግን አንድ ጊዜ ከበላን ያቺ ማታ ነው ምንበላ
Belg Mamo worked as a daily laborer in her neighbor's field. She sold pottery and earned a meager harvest from a small plot of degraded land. Like millions of other poor Ethiopians, she was working in the government's so-called safety net program, which supports the poorest with food or cash for work.
መሬቱ ደግሞ ማረሻማ ከፍት የሌለ ስለሆነ በምን ተጋዝቼ ልረስ ወይ ባበል ያንን መሬት ሰጥተው እንዲያበላ መሬት የለኝም እንዳልጋዛ በሬ የለኝም ያን ግን ሸላው ብቻ ተሰርቶ ግን አያቋቁምም ነበር እርዳታ ደግሞ ራሱ ደግሞ የለንም ነበር
But Belg Mamo's life has changed for the better. She's received 6 goats through Dan Church Aid's Give a Goat campaign and training in goat raising. The animals give the family a stable income, and with the profit, Belg Mamo has also been able to buy a cow and an ox, and she has stopped working in the safety net.
እዚህ ገባሁኝማ ያው ባንዲራቸው ለምንም ይያሉ ማልዳ ሲሄዱ ቁርስ አንድ እንጀራም ሆነ እንዲያ ሰጣቸዋለሁ ሲመለሱ ደግሞ አጠራቅሜ ደግሞ ሁለት አይሳቸውን ምሳቸውን ሰጣቸዋለሁ
With the income generated from the goat keeping, Belg Mamo is now able to send both her sons to school.
አሁን ግን ደፍተር ይፈልጋሉ ልብሳቸው በተመጣጣን የጨመረና ቀይያሪ ይፈልጋሉ እዚያ አንጠር ስለሆነ ነው
The 2 oldest sons take turns in taking care of the animals and going to school. 8-year-old Bayo takes the animals out for feeding in the morning, while 12-year-old Getachew walks for 1 hour to reach his school. And in the afternoon, they alternate. Belg Mamo is just one of hundreds of thousands of people living in chronic food insecurity who have been supported through one of Dan Church Aid's food security projects. In partnership with local non-government organizations and faith-based organizations, Dan Church Aid is helping the world's poor in Africa, Latin America, and Asia to fight undernourishment and hunger. The majority of the world's undernourished and hungry people live in the countryside, just like in Ethiopia. They survive by cultivating small and often degraded plots of land with primitive methods. Because of climate change, it has become even harder to get a good harvest as the rain patterns have changed. More than 10 million people in Ethiopia need external food aid every year. In the event of extreme drought or floods, the number increases. Ultimately, hunger and food insecurity have to be fought with long-term development, such as through introducing new cultivation techniques, new drought-resistant crops, or building irrigation systems, as in the small village of Berbera Wenze. A simple irrigation system has transformed this degraded piece of land into an oasis.
ይህ ከተሰራ ወደዚህ ትንሽ ለውጥ አግኝቻለሁ ሳሬ ነበረው ወደ ቆርቆሮ ሆኗል አንድ በሬ ቆ ወደ 2 በሬ ወደ 3 በሬ ይሆነ ላሜ ቆ ወደ አንድ ላሜ ቆች ወደ 2 ላም ወደ 3 ላም ይሆነች ነው ምናመሰግነው ፕሮጀክቱን ልጆችም እንኳን ሌላ ለራሳችንኛ ያመጋገብ ሁኔታ አሁን ነው የለመድነው ሰላጣን አለ ቆስጣ አለ ጥቅል ጎመን አለ በርበሬው ከኛ ሀጃችን ነው ያለ በደንብ አድርገን
At the local school, Asra Trakne receives guidance and training in how to grow vegetables and get the most out of the irrigation system. He's now able to sell hundreds of kilos of vegetables in the local market and can also provide healthier food for his wife and 3 children.
አለ ለውጥ አለ ብለን ምን ጀምረው እኔ ለራሴ አሁን እንደገና እርግጥ ህፃን መሆን ይችላልው ጥሩ ምግብ ከተመገቡኝ ህፃን መሆን ይችላልው በደንብ አድርጌ ያመጋገቡ በጣም አርጌ ነው ለውጥ ለራሴ ማመጣው ደስተኛም ነኝ።
He spends the extra income on sending his 2 oldest children to school. He can afford new clothes for the family twice a year and has even succeeded in building up a small savings for bad times. In areas where dirty drinking water results in disease and contributes to malnutrition, Dan Churchaid supports projects that gives remote villages access to clean water.
የፊተኛው ውሃ አንደኛ ይሄ ጦጣውም ወፉም እየተንጨባረቀ ይሄው ምናምን ማውሬውም እየተንጨባረቀ ነበር። አሁን ግን በነጥህና ጥሩ ውሃ ተበጅቶ መእጃን ፈልግ በደንብ ሸራር ይያለ ጀሪካችን ቀርበን ነው ምንጠጣ። ያሁኑ በጣም አሪፍ ነው። በጣም አሪፍ ነገር ነው የመጣው ማለት ነው። በውሃ ጥቅም በሁለመናው ጥቅም ሁላ ጥሩኛ ነው ስራው።
Abrash Abra explains that the villagers from Chinchawe often suffered from diarrhea and other stomach diseases because the water was contaminated. A local water committee is checking that the taps are working at the water point and that the water stays clean. The committee members have also learned how to sustain the water point and make small repairs. There are few opportunities for the rural poor to generate an income without access to land. These groups of people learn a craft and become blacksmiths, bricklayers, or learn about poultry keeping or beekeeping. All these skills can generate an income and help give people enough to eat. In the town of Amdawerk, in the highlands of Ethiopia, a group of divorced women have received support to run a small shop.
እየሰራን ያለነ ያው ለመጨመር ትርፍ ክፍል ገና አላደረግንም እየሰራን ያለነው በግላችን ነው ያደረግነው ግን ባለባበስ ሆነ በአቀማመጥ ባበላልም ሆነ በግላችን የተገደፍነው ግዳፍ ያው ለውጥ አለው በማበሩ ስም በዚህ በሴቶች ቡድን ግን ገና እየሰራን ስላለን ለወደፊቱ እንጂ አሁን ያው
People have a right to enough food. Dan Churchaid is empowering poor people to demand that governments put the fight against hunger at the top of their agendas. Dan Churchaid is working for the right to food through information and education and lobbying decision makers to prioritize the fight against hunger. For Belg Mamo, it's time to make supper, which is injera, big fermented pancakes. In contrast to how life was before, today she has enough flour to bake injera for 3 meals a day. Belg Mamo has worked hard to reach the point where she is now, but she's not finished fighting her way out of poverty.
እዚያው ከተማዋ ላይ ቁጭዬ የተሆነውን እየሸጥሁኝ ይያሉ ልጆችን ተምረው ለውጥ እንዲያገኙልኝ ተምረው ዝሮ ትምርታቸውን ጨርሰው መምህር ወይም ቢሆንልኝ ወይም ዶክተር ቢሆኑልኝ ይፈልጋለሁ ፊት ትምርታቸውን መጨረስ ነው የሚፈልግ